This is the bago ni siya, sir, no? Sir Claire. Christine, yung nga, Christian,
sir.
Christian, ang pwede tingalan. Ayan guys, new SSG organizational chart. Ayan, si Jahari M. Amsali, your SSG president. Then, si John Michael Eribal, SSG vice president. Treasurer, Chris Joy Pantelita. Secretary, Marcustin Jane Ditalada. Speaker, Christian Joseph De La Rosa. Then you have the governors ng SOHM, Vice Governor, Representative. Then for the CIT, Jam Florence, Tino, Malikay, Busca. For SOA, Rian Saldua, Cielo Dignos. For education, Christian Claire Tandoy, Abdurrajak A. Saling, Inya Bianca Villanueva. For SOM, Cassandra Tabotago, Lorraine Sangkula, and Julaiha Pawa. For Criminal Justice, Luis Francisco, James Ryan Escuadro, and Abel Estorion. And we have for CCS, Rosendo Brito Jr., Gerald Navarro, Aprillinda Balos, Sakari B. Pacolanan. For Matt, Representative Paris Joy, Cristil for Biped, Aljamar for Filipino, and Beatrixia Alcido. And we have our Chief Justice, Bon Carlo P. Boncaras, and Associate Justices, John Henry, Haron, and Rainton. And we have our Property Custodian, Reynadette Dignos, and SSG Advisor, Sir John Ray Villarba. Ayan guys, ito yung bagong SSG Organizational Chart 2023. Makikita dito sa SSG Office. Ito naman guys yung mga mga activity ng SSG family. Last first semester yata to guys. So yan. Kakatawa tong trophy guys, kinain, hindi pala kinagat. And yan, ayan, Miss University. Ayan guys, so napakaganda pag sumali kayo dito sa government ng SSG kasi you will learn about leadership, you'll be handling students, yun, iba gagawa ng mga batas, mag-organize kayo ng mga events, yan, makapractice na kayo mag-handle ng pera, ayan, para magkaroon ng mga events sa mga students. So yan guys, may mga pictures dito. So wala pala si Sir Daisy, yung SSG president ngayon. So we have an acting president, si Mr. Amsali.